Today, I'll walk you through how to perform bank reconciliation in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to reconcile your bank transactions so you can keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. Start by signing into your Xero account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Think of it as your financial command center. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero updates its interface from time to time. Next, locate your business bank account. This is where all your financial activity is recorded. Click on the Reconcile button. This is like opening a ledger to compare your bank's records with your own. Now you'll see a list of transactions waiting to be matched. Imagine these as puzzle pieces that need to fit perfectly with your bank statement. Review each transaction carefully. Xero will suggest matches for you, which can save you a lot of time. Check the suggested matches and compare the transaction details. This is like double-checking a receipt against your shopping list. If everything lines up, click Reconcile to complete the match. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Accuracy is key here. Once you click Reconcile, Xero will automatically update your account and remove the transaction from the reconciliation list. It's like crossing off an item on your to-do list, giving you a sense of accomplishment. Repeat this process for any remaining transactions that need to be reconciled. It's a bit like washing dishes. Once you get into the rhythm, it becomes second nature. And there you have it. That's how to perform bank reconciliation in Xero. By following these steps, you'll ensure your financial records are as precise as possible. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.